Meaning of Easter.
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 Easter. Easter is a Christian holiday that celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead. It is observed on the first Sunday following the first full moon after the vernal equinox, which usually falls between March 22 and April 25. The holiday is a time of joy and hope for Christians around the world as they celebrate the victory of life over death. It is marked by various traditions, including attending church services, decorating Easter eggs, and participating in Easter egg hunts. Overall, Easter represents the renewal of faith and the triumph of love and hope.